Good morning students, welcome to online classes. Today we are going to learn about science, lesson 1, the circulatory system. Before knowing about the circulatory system, let us know how these systems are formed. Our body is made up of different cells which are very smallest unit of our body. The different cells combines together to form the tissue. Tissue combines together to form organ. And different organs combine together to form the organ system. Now these organs are of two types, external organs and the internal organs. External organs. What are external organs? The organs that can be seen and are outside our body is called external organs, like our eyes, nose, ears, hands and so on. Internal organs. Organs which are inside our body and cannot be seen. For example, stomach, liver, lungs and so on. These organs we cannot see them. When these organs combines together to form a particular task is called organ system. A group of organs working together forms an organ system. For example, there are different kinds of organ systems. Nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, etc. Now here in this chapter we are going to learn about the circulatory system. The circulatory system comprises of heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart is the key organ of the circulatory system. Now let's learn in detail about the circulatory system's part, its function and structure.
Organs of the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of three parts: heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart. Have you ever felt your heartbeat? Human heart is a muscular pumping organ. It is located in the chest cavity, slightly towards the left, enclosed in a sac. The adult human heart is about the size of a fist. It is protected by the rib cage. The heart is built like a double-story house, with two chambers in each story. On the lower side, there are right and left ventricles, and on the upper side, there are the right and left auricles. The blood vessels. The blood is carried to different parts of the body through a network of tubes called blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are thick-walled blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They carry pure or oxygenated blood. Veins are the thin-walled blood vessels which carry blood back to the heart. They bring back the impure blood loaded with waste products. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels. A network of capillaries forms the connection between the arteries and the veins near a tissue. Differences between arteries and veins. Arteries carry pure and oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery, carry blood away from the heart. Valves are thick and elastic. Valves are absent. Blood flows under high pressure. Veins carry impure and deoxygenated blood, except pulmonary vein, carry blood into the heart. Valves are thinner than arteries. Valves are present. Blood flows under low pressure. Blood. Blood is a red-colored fluid flowing inside blood vessels. It consists of a liquid part called plasma and the blood cells. Plasma It is the fluid part of the blood that carries nutrients and waste products. Blood cells, they are of three types: RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Red blood cells, RBCs. White blood cells, WBCs. Platelets, RBCs. They are red due to presence of red-colored pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the carrier of oxygen. WBCs, they are white-colored blood cells. They play an important role in fighting infection and destroy germs. Platelets, they help in clotting of blood whenever there is an injury. Thus, they prevent loss of blood from the body. Function of blood. It transports oxygen from the lungs to rest of the body and carbon dioxide from the tissues to lungs. It supplies important nutrients to all the cells in the body. It transports wastes to the excretory organs for removal from an body. It maintains body temperature. WBCs protect our body from infections and germs. Platelets help in blood clotting. Let's know more. Hemoglobin is the protein molecule in red blood cells. It carries oxygen from the lungs to body cells. Oxygen plays a vital role in the breathing process and energy production in living organisms. With the help of some chemicals, it burns our food to produce energy and heat. Thus, it supports life.
So, we learned about the structure and functions of different parts of the circulatory system. The main function of the circulatory system is to transport blood to all parts of the body. The other functions are: it gives oxygen to every part of the body and collects carbon dioxide from different parts of the body. It transports the digested food from small intestine to different parts of the body. It also helps to maintain the body temperature. And the WBCs present in the blood helps in fighting the germs in the body. Now, ways to keep the heart healthy. The most important way to keep our heart healthy is to do regular exercise and lead an active life. Walking for 30 minutes can also help in keeping our heart healthy. Deep breathing and pranayama helps in curing heart diseases. Now we will learn about the process of blood circulation.
Let's learn the direction of blood flow. The superior and inferior vena cava are the blood vessels which carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from the different body parts to the right atrium and right ventricle. The blood goes to the lungs via pulmonary artery for purification. In the lungs, there is exchange of gases and oxygen-rich blood from here travels to the heart again from pulmonary vein. The oxygen-rich blood reaches the left atrium and left ventricle. From here, the aorta and the other arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to the body parts and the cycle begins all over again. An English physician, William Harvey, discovered the circulation of blood. Heartbeat. The walls of the heart are made up of muscles. Muscles exhibit contractions and relaxations rhythmically at regular intervals. These contractions and relaxations are responsible for heartbeat. One contraction of the muscles followed by its relaxation is called heartbeat. Due to this rhythmic beating of the heart, circulation of blood and transport of substances to various parts of the body is possible.
So, we learned that how blood is transferred from different parts of the body to the heart, and then from the heart it is transferred to the lungs to purify it, and from the lungs it is return back to the heart and then to the different parts of the body. With this, we come to the end of the chapter